Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. What you should know before you take the course: you should have a basic working knowledge of using a computer, a basic working knowledge of using the internet. Who should take this course? This course is designed for beginners to data modeling. What will you learn on the course? We'll start off by installing the Power BI desktop. You learn how to connect to a Microsoft Access database file. You learn how to create and manage data relationship. You learn how to create calculated columns. You learn how to optimize models for reporting. You learn how to implement time intelligence on data. You learn how to apply filters on visualization for data. The format of the course is video. The duration is approximately 2 hours long. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.